Namar Bakashuki Gambegre constituency kadang saat theli hadian bau MP Natura usaleng sangma ula I no kam komu MLA unang yalam barang ba jong kaseng ula ong bakaseng kan penyeng ya ukertong uba biang tam na kebenta ka constituency haman badon ke election Shiteng Samoi hakade ka constituency haba penpau Halor ka jing sngaus kem baki breu ken sajit biang ya ukertong jong u hakade ka constituency ula ong ba udang don hakajing ade kebaya jan bat kinong tep vote hapo ka constituency kat kum kakai pot ladek ban IT ya kakam hakinong yalam bah kli du jong kaseng Congress kata usaling sangma bat ka dibora marak ban shimrai khat du ya ukertong jong kaseng na kabenta ka election Shiteng Samoi ha Gambegre.
Want the best to look after my people. I don't want just any hanky-panky to come and then look after, because looking after my people should be, at least I'm not saying like me. Definitely talking with my people. I will be having a meeting first, then only I will decide. Now, unless and until I talk with the leaders from my constituency, I cannot decide just bluntly like that. And moreover, I've got my leaders also out here. So at least certain norms and conditions has to be fulfilled. So we will go back and then see. And then moreover, I will definitely want the best to look after my people. At least I'm not saying like me, but at least somebody should be taking care of my people from my Gambegre constituency.
MP